Hey YouTube, it's Naim Nappy, and I'm so excited, you guys, that this video will be all about my 6-week Ayurvedic hair regimen. And I have teamed up with Hennasooq for this video because she has a 6-week Ayurvedic hair course that is all about strengthening your hair and growing your hair long and strong. Now this course has so much. You get videos, recipes, how-to, you have support, you have a hair challenges and quizzes to really help you to get to know your hair and your hair needs. And I really love that it's a community and you really can talk and ask questions along the way. And I already have the 6 products that I'm going to be using for this, which is the Cassia Curls and Moisture Mask, the Moroccan Tea Hair Growth Oil, the Goddess Hair, Koko Veda, and the Ayurvedic Scalp and Root Mask. So let's go ahead and get started with lesson 1. So lesson 1 is all about the Cassia and Curls line. So I'm going to be using this. I kept this in my freezer. You want to always store any of the henna bar collection in the freezer. This mixture is already pre-mixed and it is cassia, amla, and aloe vera, which gives you some strengthening but also some conditioning properties, as aloe and amla have conditioning properties. And so yeah, I'm going to go ahead and mix this and apply it to my hair. Now you guys, what I love about the henna bar collection is that it is already pre-mixed. So all I had to do was defrost my package and then pour its contents into the bowl. Now I thought about adding some oils to the mixture, but I opted not to because this is actually my second time using the Cassia and Curls collection and I wanted to try it on its own. So I went ahead and shampooed my hair ahead of time, and now I'm going to just begin its application process. It was really smooth going on my hair, gliding on easily. I did focus it on my scalp all the way down to the ends of my hair. Now I want to tell you a little bit about the benefits of cassia, aloe, and amla that are in this package. Now cassia adds strength and conditions the hair. It also helps with scalp conditions. It does have antimicrobial and antifungal properties, so it does help to eliminate dandruff and lice. You'll notice that your hair does become shinier and it does add volume to your hair as well. Now the amla is absolutely amazing. I really love amla powder. Now amla again strengthens the scalp and hair. It helps to reduce premature graying. It can also stimulate hair growth. It is rich in vitamin C, which helps to promote collagen production, and it can reduce hair loss and prevent dandruff and dry scalp as well. Now next is aloe. Now aloe is bae, y'all. Aloe is so good for those who have any type of itchy scalp or dry scalp. It's great for those who have seborrheic dermatitis or eczema. It can deeply clean and repair hair strands. It improves blood circulation in the scalp and that promotes hair growth. Aloe just also adds a lot of moisture to your hair. So this will be a moisturizing and conditioning mask. All right, now that my mask is all applied, I'm going to go ahead and let this sit for about an hour and then I will be rinsing it out. I love the way my hair feels right now. I will follow up with a deep conditioner. I know they say you don't have to, but I'm pretty sure you probably want to after this. So I want to show you guys. I didn't add any conditioner to rinse it out. It rinsed out pretty well actually, even with my hair in twists. I just undid the twist just to make sure any of the granules were out until the water ran clean. It didn't even take me 5 minutes. Now I'm using Hennasooq's wonderful journal. I don't know if I had mentioned earlier that they have a journal to kind of track your progress, see where your hair is at and where you want to be at the end of this journey. Now I'm going to give it a little bit about this mask. I did enjoy it. It was strengthening to my hair. Even though there was some conditioning properties, I did use a deep conditioner afterwards. But overall, I really enjoyed using this mask and excited for week 2. Okay, you guys, this is week 2. I used my Moroccan hair tea rinse to make in oil. Now, I just want to say that the Moroccan hair tea rinse smells amazing. I'm like, whatever herb combination in here that's making it smell amazing, like, let's keep doing this because yes, sis. So you want to make the oil by adding 1 hair tea satchel to about 4 cups of oil. I'm going to be using 2 cups of extra virgin olive oil. Then I'm going to use 1 cup of my avocado oil along with 1 cup of my sweet almond oil. So these oils are light and penetrating, so I can use this on my scalp to oil my scalp and get all the benefits from the oil and the herbs. You're going to let this sit in a double boiler on very, very low for 1 to 2 hours. I did this for about 2 hours and then I strained it into a bottle. And now that I have my oil, I'm going to go ahead and oil my scalp overnight. Well, I'm going to go ahead and oil my scalp and then leave it in overnight and wash it in the morning. Now, there's 7 herbs actually in this Moroccan hair tea, and it is henna, which protects the hair and provides strength to the hair. Roses, as we learned, contains balance. It helps to create pH balance in your hair. Chamomile adds shine. Pomegranate helps to prevent grain. The clove helps to stimulate scalp circulation. Sergina, and I'm hoping I'm pronouncing that right, adds some strengthening properties as well. And then there's date seed, which also helps to promote hair growth. So I'm really, really excited to be using this oil on my scalp. I plan to use it as a pre-shampoo this week and occasionally on my scalp, maybe 2 to 3 times a week to massage that in to help stimulate hair growth throughout this journey. So I just shampooed the oil off of my hair. My hair still feels really moisturized and soft, and I'm really loving the way this oil has left my hair. I'm excited to continue using it throughout my journey as week 2 says to continue using this oil. Okay, so we are into week 3, and week 3 is the Ayurvedic scalp and root mask. It's all about herbs that are there to help heal and condition the scalp. So we'll be putting this mask, focusing it on our scalps and stretching it all the way down to the ends of our hair. And I'm gonna go ahead and shampoo my hair. As you can see, I've been wearing my hair in twists throughout the weeks, trying to make sure I maintain moisture in my hair, using the oil and everything. So this is week 3 of my regimen, so let's go ahead and get started. So again, with the henna bar collection, I really love it because it's already pre-mixed. So you want to just make sure you thaw out your contents before using it. And then I'll go ahead and shampoo my hair and apply it to my hair. Go ahead and get started on freshly washed hair or freshly wet hair, depending on how dirty your hair is. Focus mainly on the roots first, since this is about the roots, and then spread to the ends at the end. So the ingredients in this mask are Cassia, which is used to strengthen the hair, neem, which possesses antimicrobial and antibacterial properties and is good for eczema and dandruff, Brahmi, which helps to regenerate the scalp, bring oxygen to dead follicles, Brain Raj, which helps to promote hair growth, prevent hair loss, and strengthens hair at its root. And of course, essential oils such as eucalyptus, lemon, and rosemary, which are all great for stimulating hair growth. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap my hair up and let this sit for about 2 hours before rinsing out. So after this mask, my hair feels strong. I'm gonna go ahead and deep condition with it and then use rose water afterwards, and I'll write this down in my journal for week 3. Next up is week 4, you guys, and I'm going to be using the Koko Veda hair mask. I've heard so many good things about this mask, so I'm really, really excited to use it. It's already pre-mixed, so I'm going to go ahead and shampoo my hair. And I'm going to be using actually one of the shampoo bars that I have from Hennasooq. I love her shampoo bars, and this is a great way to cleanse your hair without stripping it. Now that my hair is clean, I am ready for application. Now, you guys, first of all, this mask smells amazing. I love Hennasooq's products because they all smell very, very nice. And as I'm applying this to my hair, y'all, the slip is insane. Like, I am just shocked and amazed at how well this is going into my hair. like bomb, bomb, bomb. Now this mask has some of my favorite ingredients, so I'm not totally surprised that I'm in love with it because y'all, henna, amla, those are my favorite herbs. So this mask, it has conditioning properties and strengthening properties because it is a deep conditioner, and I'm so excited to tell you a little bit more about it. Now this mask contains very moisturizing ingredients and oils high up on the list. I'm talking about shea butter, olive oil, sunflower oil, coconut oil, jojoba oil. Now these ingredients are wonderful for being able to penetrate deep into your hair strand and moisturize it. And of course you have 5 herbs in this. I'm talking about the henna, amla, shikakai, bringraj, and brahmi powder. So there's a lot of conditioning and strengthening products in this. It's definitely going to be one of my staple products, I can already tell. So now that it's all applied, I'm going to go ahead and use a shower cap, well actually my plastic bag, and put this over my head to let this penetrate on my hair for about 2 hours. Okay, you guys, can I just say, wow. If you could feel my hair right now, it feels like soft, fluffy clouds. Like, I don't even know. I've never had a deep conditioner do this to my hair. It feels strong, but like moisturized. Oh, Lord. I just want someone to come play in my hair for me. So you guys, now I'm actually going to use a little bit of rose water and my leave-in and put my hair into twists. And then I'll come back on in a day or two and let you know how my hair feels. So far, this Ayurvedic journey has been absolutely amazing. I'm loving all the products, but I think this Cocoveda one right now is by far my favorite deep conditioner from Hennasooq. Like, Khadija, you did your thing, girl. All right, so let me go ahead and moisturize my hair and seal it up. So y'all, my hair feels so amazing. I'm just writing it in my journal that I absolutely love this mask. I want to add it to my regimen forever if possible. My hair feels soft, moisturized, and bouncy. And I'm ready to go and moisturize my hair for the week and put it into twists and get ready for week 5. All right, you guys, it's week 5 and I have been enjoying this Ayurvedic hair regimen. I've been keeping my hair in twists for most of the week, especially because we're all homebound. And how I've been using this oil in my regimen is using it after I do a rose water spritz right before bed. So generally, again, you want to moisturize your hair. And then I'm going to take this oil and go ahead and use the applicator tip to focus it mainly on my roots and massage that in. Now every 2 to 3 days, I'll take down my twists, either from whatever updo they're in, and moisturize them using the LCO method. And of course, I'll seal with this Moroccan hair rinse oil. And that's how I've been using and enjoying my oil for week 5. Now watch my progress as I write down my experiences for week 5 in my e-journal. And my hair has really been loving the oil like this, you guys. Trying to make sure I get it deep into my roots as well as sealing it on my ends. Hey y'all, so I'm so excited. This is week 6. I can't believe the time has flown by. My hair has been thriving. It's also been great that, I've been home because like everyone else, we have been homebound, and I've been really leaving my hair alone and just making sure it's been oiled and nourished and taking note of how my hair is responding to these treatments. And I've really been enjoying this journey so far. And so I'm really excited that I am finally on week 6 and I'm doing the Goddess Hair Mask. Now you guys, the Goddess Hair Mask is amazing because it has some some of my favorite herbs in here. So you have your cassia, you have your rose, you have your fenugreek, your aloe. And so I'm really excited to go ahead and mix this up for you guys, apply it to my hair, and then I'm gonna come on at the end to show you guys how my hair is looking at the end of this journey. So let's go ahead and get to mixing. Now, to make the base for this mask, I'm going to be using the other satchel of my Moroccan hair tea. I'm going to go ahead and pour about 2 cups of boiling water. I'm going to go ahead and let it steep for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once my tea is ready, I'm going to go ahead and use this to pour into my goddess hair mask, completely stirring. I use all 2 cups of this mixture and let my mask sit for about 30 minutes while I go ahead and shampoo my hair. Now, y'all, I just thought I'd make this a little bit fun. It's the last week. I'm going to be using my shampoo bars again. I'm going to suds it up, have a little fun with this, make sure my hair is thoroughly cleaned. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply my goddess hair mask. So I want to note right away that it is actually kind of grainy going on. It's not a smooth application like some of my other masks. And I'm going to assume that's probably from the fenugreek and maybe the hibiscus in here. So just a word of warning, as you're applying it to your hair, it's going to feel a bit grainy. However, I want to talk about some of the herbs that are in here, some of the ones you guys have already heard about and previously. As we know, like cassia gives you strength, amla helps to promote the hair growth, hibiscus gives you shine, fenugreek, y'all, I really haven't talked about this, but this is probably one of my top 3 favorite herbs. It promotes hair growth, it promotes thicker hair, stops hair fall dead in its tracks. Additionally, there's rose petal in this as well, which helps pH balance, and aloe for all that wonderful moisture. So you want to leave this mask on for 1 to 2 hours and then rinse out. Now, y'all, I tried to rinse this mask out, I think 3 times. I co-washed it. I threw in my deep conditioner to try to wash it out. The granules were very difficult to get out of my hair. Now, I didn't really need to deep condition my hair because my hair felt amazing afterwards, but I was really using any conditioner I had to try to get these granules out of my hair. So even as I'm styling, I'm noticing that there's still little bits of pieces in my hair. So while I do love how my hair feels, I'm not too keen on the fact that there are still granules stuck in my hair. But I'm gonna go ahead and twist up my hair for the week and write down in my journal how my hair is feeling. All right, you guys, so I really enjoyed my 6-week Ayurvedic hair journey. I'm loving how my hair feels right now. It feels strong, but very moisturized and hydrated. I just took these twists out of my hair, and I'm gonna enjoy wearing my hair out for like a day, but I will go back to putting it into protective styles while we are in quarantine, you guys. So the 2 masks that the 2 treatments that I love probably the most was probably the Koko Veda, and I really, really love the hot oil treatments and using that oil throughout this journey, which I'll continue to use. And I think this is a great course to start if you guys are interested in beginning your Ayurvedic hair journey. I'll leave the link down below if you're interested in joining. You also get 2 additional DIY masks that Khadijah gives you. So thank you again, Khadijah, for this wonderful opportunity. So if you want to see how I incorporate other Ayurvedic herbs into my hair journey, I definitely recommend subscribing and checking out some of the videos I have on this channel, and I'll link down below for you guys. And if you have any questions regarding any of the masks or the treatments or anything regarding the 6-week regimen, please let me know down below in the comment section. That's it for this week. I'll see you next time. Bye.